Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Sam, and if you're new here, stick around because by the end of this video, you might just hit that subscribe button. I can already hear the comments rolling in. Oh great, another next 24 hours video. Or what, we're prepping again? Fair enough. But hear me out, because the next 24 hours, they're about to shake things up big time. If you're waiting for that perfect dip to buy or itching for some market fireworks, buckle up. We're on the verge of some wild moves, and I'm here to break it all down for you. Why is this happening? Simple. What's about to unfold in the next day is going to slam the stock market. And when stocks sneeze, crypto catches a cold or, a fever that sends it soaring. Point is, if you're not into videos tying real-world chaos to your portfolio, this might not be your vibe. But me, I'm all about giving you the raw, unbiased scoop, the kind of crypto intel that keeps your investments ahead of the curve. We're not sitting around waiting for some magical crypto genie to whisper, time to pump. No, this is about the real forces, global events, economic shifts that drive these markets. And trust me, they're about to hit hard. These swings, up or down, could rattle you out of your positions, flip your entire market outlook, or even redefine the cycle we're in. So let's dive in. What's on the horizon? It's the Financial Weekly News Drop, and tomorrow's a blockbuster day for markets. The Fed stepping up with its latest rate update, and those interest rates, they're like a crystal ball, either signaling a thriving economy or flashing red warning signs. I'll get into that in a sec. But first, let's zoom out and see what's brewing beyond the Fed's walls, because these outside forces could sway their next move. Top of the list? Tariffs. The Trump admin just dropped a bombshell. They're matching tariffs other countries have slapped on our goods. Genius or chaos? I'm not here to pick sides, but I'll tell you this. Markets hate trade wars. They despise tariff talk. I've said it before. Leveling the playing field sounds great, but doing it in a year when liquidity was finally pumping into 2025? Ouch. Before the trade war flared up, we were on track for a massive cash flow boost. Now, it's a market gut punch. And don't think the Fed's blind to this. They know tariffs choke the economy. Supply chains grind to a halt, big companies scramble for goods, and growth stalls. That's a domino effect you can't ignore. Then there's China. Word on the street, no Bloomberg paywall needed, is they're slamming the brakes on natural gas exports, processed meats, you name it. Trade's slowing, supply chains are creaking, and it's a mess. Add that to the pile of problems. Meanwhile, the OECD's shouting from the rooftops. Trump's trade wars are tanking global growth and stoking inflation. Believe it or not, they've got a point. Costs are climbing, goods, shipping, all of it. Fairness aside, other nations have been tariff happy with us for years. This timing stinks. We were primed for a market heater, and now we're dodging curveballs. Oh, and Israel's back in the mix. War in Gaza's flared up again. Why now? Domestic politics, they say. It's a geopolitical powder keg. And while it's not a shock out of nowhere, this conflict's been simmering, it's still a market spook. Trade wars scare investors. Real wars, they terrify them. All this chaos is crashing into Wednesday's FOMC rate decision and Fed Chair Powell's press conference. Am I sweating the rate call itself? Nah, it's a toss-up. Some say the Fed'll pause cuts as storm clouds gather. Others, like Jim Grant, reckon rate hikes are as likely as cuts. My take? Rates probably hold steady. No slashes, no spikes. But the real fireworks? That's Powell's mic drop. If he steps up all dovish, think chill vibes, markets are fine, crypto's going to explode. Bullish city. But if he turns hawkish, brace yourself. He's got every excuse. Israel, tariffs, trade wars, to go full doom and gloom. I'd love a calm, we've got this vibe. February's CPI data was solid, after all. But if he hints at trade war worries, even with steady rates, markets will feel it. This press conference is a powder keg. Liquidations could hit record highs. Wild swings are guaranteed. So, pro tip, skip the leverage today. Ignore the crazy wicks. Your portfolio is going to dance. Don't let it stress you out. Just prep for the ride. Now, any silver linings in this storm? Hell yeah. First off, Jim Cramer's bearish. And if you know markets, that's the ultimate contrarian signal. When Cramer's doom scrolling, we should be grinning. Bitcoin's been teasing us, chopping around 83K, now hovering at 88 days to 200 as I record this. Early, mind you, no big moves yet, but post FOMC, that's the trigger. Gold's another wild card. It's crushing it. Outshining Bitcoin, says Rex. Why care? Gold's a fear gauge. The dollar's been tanking since January's spike. Trade war fallout. And cash is flooding into safe havens like gold and money market funds. Risk on stuff like stocks and crypto. Left in the dust. But here's the twist. A weak dollar should juice risk assets. Problem is, nobody's biting. Yet. Flashback time. Gold and Bitcoin don't always vibe like people think. When gold peaked and dipped back in the day, Bitcoin went nuts, rocketing to local tops while gold chopped sideways. Gold's up 88% since its 2022 bottom. Last big run was 79%, so it's nearing a ceiling. When it cools off, watch the rotation. Profits flow from gold to crypto, stocks, then maybe back to safety. Bitcoin dominance is kissing a key trend line too. When it cracks, alt season could ignite. So, bearish? Nope. We're just navigating choppy waters. Once this Fed chaos clears, the stars might align. It all hinges on tomorrow. Powell, tariffs, Gaza. War's the ultimate market buzzkill. Fear trumps greed every time. But if gold tops out and the Fed plays nice, Bitcoin's ready to rip. TA's not gospel, but the setup's there. Stay sharp, watch the presser, and take it day by day. Powell's words will echo for weeks, maybe months. Love this deep dive? Smash that like, subscribe, and ring the bell. More free insights coming your way. Hit me up on X, links below. This is Sam, signing off. Stay savvy, folks. Peace out.